Just filled up the feeders. Everybody's happy. Can you hear them? All the finches. Oh, here comes Red. Coming in for deliciousness. The winds have been really high today, so my bird buddy's leaning. It's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. But the finches and the chickadees are very happy. So is Red. Is that Red? Hi, buddy. Gonna get a good video of Red here on the bird buddy. And yeah, everyone's hungry because we have a big storm rolling in. We could get 12 to 15 inches of snow. So we gotta have full feeders. Everybody's hungry, everybody's eating. We've got to get them full up for the storm.